B, I think.
Bro, I'm spawning at B.
Roy, I'm lowering down Roy.
I'm at B. Where are you?
Oh, apparently I spawned at D now.
Right in the base.
Oh wait, I know why. There was just something with lag.
Oh yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Bro, I'm gonna be famous after this. Cause I'm gonna get like a big kill streak. Remember when I had that 3?
Marcus, I see you. Over here.
Where are you? Where are you?
No. Go. You are too far.
Oh, jeez.
Marcus, you didn't even get a kill.
He's riding a helicopter.
Oh wait, you guys are in the helicopter. Wait.
I'm to D. You're supposed to meet me at B.
All right, just go to D. How do I get in? I'm gonna get in the minigun.
E. It should be E. It should be E.
E. I got E. All right, let's go to Zoe. Head over to C. Head over to C. We'll meet you there.
To C.
Yeah, we'll meet you there. Marcus, turn left. Oh my God.
Oh my great.
Marcus kind of sucks. Marcus, I'm here.
Where are you? Where are you? I don't see you.
I just died, bro.
All right, Marcus, raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up, Marcus. Raise it up. All right, let's head to C, Marcus, and destroy them with my minigun.
Stay at B. I'm coming.
All right, head to C.
Spawn somewhere else. I swear to God.
Oh, you're in the building. You're in the building, right?
I'm in the building. Yeah.
All right. We're gonna land. No, Marcus, you can't get up there. Land. Where I'm shooting. Over here. Right here.
I'm here.
All right. Get in. Get in a place where you can't shoot. No, get in a minigun. All right, let's go. Let's go to C. Bro, let's go. We in a helicopter today. Oh, was I supposed to like?
It's actually pretty clean.
Go! Let's go! Okay, stop here.
Bro, I can't see anything, bro.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I saw someone. I see someone. Back me up. I killed him. No.
Okay, go.
Did you just drop
I killed him. Let's go. Keep on capturing. I killed him.
Marcus, you're not even at the
The
point.
thing's broken. I can't. Sorry.
All right, just like land it, just land it.
Yeah, just keep it there.
Yeah, keep it there. You want to get the 130. Capture points.
You're fine.
All right, let's go. Wait for me.
What are you doing? Hey, go.
All right, let's go. Woo! All right, let's go. Go to D. D's being captured. We need to get that point. D. It doesn't look like it's turning.
Let me check. Yeah, it isn't turning.
Oh, it isn't?
You want me to drive?
Yes. I can't drive because I'm on the computer and I don't know. All right. Get back in.
Hold on. I can't get in. I get in the helicopter. Bro, I can't get in the helicopter. Wait, Marcus, I'm not in the helicopter, bro.
All right, let's go. It's not moving? What? Bro, that guy's hacking. Spawn at B. Bro, someone's capturing D.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
How did you...
We have a hacker.
Bro, what just happened? Bro, what?
Wait, Marcus, how'd you kill yourself?
You just killed us.
Bro, what just happened?
Bro, that's crazy.
That was weird.
That was so
What
funny.
should I be?
Medic. No. Sniper. I need to show you somewhere. I just need to show you somewhere.
I think I should be double
No, double barrel's so bad.
Wait, what's the fattest G2.
The famous G2. It's not the best, but you can still use it.
Use a new gun. Use a new gun.
I'm gonna test out the Taver.
Should I be sniper? Should I be sniper?
What do you mean? You?
Should I be sniper?
Yes. Be sniper. We need you at sniper.
Here, I'm gonna be medic. Here, I'm gonna.
Where? B, C, what?
C. I spawned at C as well.
B, C,
Wait,
C.
I have a helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter at C, helicopter at C.
Wait, let me kill this guy.
Yeah,
I got him.
I'll start flying.
Can I fly?
No, I'll fly.
Oh wait,
I'm gonna fly though.
flap.
I literally know how to control one. Come on.
Zoe, get out of the. Wait, let's see if you can fly. All right,
Why
that's
can't
good.
I move forward? The truck?
Okay,
It's
yeah.
not
Let me.
even- okay, there you go.
Change your shape.
You want us to fall? Let me go down first, okay? Let me go down first. Okay.
Get out.
Here,
All right, now you guys can go back in. Go! Someone's shooting!
Come on!
Run, come on. It's still going.
Oh my God! Go!
Marcus!
Let's go! We on the move!
Oh my god.
Go to. Wait, we lost C. Wait, we need to capture
Get
C
it.
back.
Marcus, we can't aim the minigun. I can't aim my minigun.
Here.
Bro, I'm dead. Bro, capture.
I'm gonna jump off.
Capture, bro, capture. Actually, bro, where should I spawn?
Where?
I don't know where to spawn. Should I spawn at A, D? I'm gonna spawn at D. I'm gonna capture B.
Come on, kill him.
I'm shooting them.
I'm gonna go to A.
Bro, why did I have to die? Oh, I still got out and killed people.
Okay, so our
But-
helicopter is gone.
I really.
Okay, yeah, they took our helicopter.
Oh well.
I think we should go
But
back.
don't we know how to shoot it down?
You
I'm gonna get B. You guys wanna get B or C?
I'm get B. I need help.
B.
Yeah.
Die, bastard.
Oh my gosh.
Car! Guys, get a car!
Good.
Huh?
No, wait!
Yeah, I already
let's
did.
go in it! Get them up, get them.
Wait, where?
Oh! No!
Oh my god. I'm literally stuck here. Bro, if I go out, this guy in a tank's gonna shoot me. So I can't move. No!
Oh no!
I died.
Oh no!
But let's be honest, that guy is a hacker, so
What the heck?
what happened to the tanks? Why aren't the tanks respawning? They should be respawned already, unless someone's using them.
Bro, they have A. No, they have B, C, and D.
Bro, they are cheating. Bro, they definitely are cheating. There's no way they have all three.
Mateo, wait for me.
Wait, where are you? Get in the...
Wait for me.
Wait, get in driver.
Okay.
So get in the
I can
left
drive.
side.
I
I'll
can
go in the
drive.
right side. And I can fire missiles.
Oh, what the?
Told you.
Why are we popping a wheelie? I can't see if we're popping a wheelie.
Auntie,
what does this say? Mateo, we're popping a wheelie right now.
And so what?
this say? Mateo, get this guy. Auntie, what does that say? I don't know.
Is he not dead?
No.
I killed him.
Nice.
I just had to get out for a real sec.
Okay, the car is popping a wheelie. Tilted, Mateo. The car is moving so slow. Mateo, why is he laughing?
I'm not even laughing.
Liam, What are you laughing?
Me and the boys play late night Polybattle. Should we do this late night?
Should we just wait here?
Die.
Mateo, we just wait here?
What?
Do we just wait here and D? Yeah, we're getting D. We're getting D. Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry.
This is fun.
Fuck yeah.
That was easy. Okay. Make it a B?
I think my most classified. Wait, am I good as a sniper? Or
Yes.
Why am I sitting like
Wait,
this?
I'm gonna get in that tank. Zoe, if you wanna join me, this tank is good. This tank is really good.
You can drive, right, Mateo?
Yeah, I know how to drive this. Just WASD. I'm really good with using tanks. And I'm not joking. Oh shit. Oops.
Mateo.
You know I was not joking and stuff? Well, what do you mean? There's no way I'm hitting that.
I just happened.
I don't think I was hitting that, by the way, so.
You were.
Luckily,
I
you're
can
in
see
good
it.
hands. Oh, shoot.
We're gonna show in the
Don't worry. We'll go.
for fun.
Oh, my God. Oh. I see him. And he's dead.
Missing all my shots. Okay, there you go. Go.
Wait, I need to get out of this.
Mateo, don't tell me. Okay, thank you.
Alright, now I'm gonna go back to C. And then I'm
What's this?
gonna go forward.
Oh, yeah. No, not that.
Guys, people are coming to see.
I'm not worried.
Yeah, we know. It's fine. I'm supposed to lose already, so.
Alright, get that guy. Let's go.
Mateo. Okay, there you go.
Oh my gosh. Alright, yeah. I give up on driving that, so.
Do you want me to drive?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, you can drive. For sure.
Oh, I'm not. Where can I snipe?
Oh, you can snipe from on top of these. You can snipe on top of the train tracks, honestly.
Okay,
It's a
then.
pretty good place. Yeah, that one.
Mateo, are you okay? Are you AFK? Oh, Mateo's AFK. Oh, no.
The fact that this man was amazing, this person was amazing at this game makes me fascinating.
Marcus, you just pinged me to move to position.
Hmm?
No.
Marcus pings you to move to position.
Oh, there's someone going at C. Someone going at C. Need help at C.
Okay, come to see.
Need help at C.
Ready to start? Did you get him?
No, they're still out there. I think they're also using sniper class, so be careful.
Scrounger?
And you're like the whatchamacallit?
No people saying they're good.
No, like outside. Oh, never mind, they're dead. It's fine. Someone?
Hmm?
Someone. I don't think it's a team. Oh, it's a their car. Thank you. Never mind, they just got dead. Fine. Okay.
Bro, Bro, where are you at? Where are you at?